I'm Chanel and I'm here today to talk about my recipe library. Now, the reason my recipe library is such a helpful tool is it takes the guesswork out of good nutrition for you. Now, that is because my recipes are high protein and they tell you how many calories are in them. They will give you the macronutrient breakdown, so you'll know how many carbohydrates, how many fats, and how many proteins are in the recipes. At the moment, I'm in the process of making sure I'm adding fiber to that equation, because if you work with me, we are actually concentrating on eating 30 grams of fiber a day. Very important if you're on your menopausal journey. So my recipe library has more than 350 recipes that are high protein, well balanced. They will keep you full and satiated, but the best part is they taste amazing. You should look forward to eating and be able to get your goals along the way, whether it's for performance, whether it's for body fat. And this is essential for not only success, but also for a happy, healthy you. So this is why my recipe library is so helpful. I will also let you know that I'm adding new recipes to there every week. So it's an amazing tool to help give you variety. And of course, you have so much to choose from. When you go in there, there's a search function, so you can search maybe chocolate recipes or breakfast recipes, whatever you like. And at the bottom, you'll notice there's pages and pages and pages of recipes that you can sift through. Now, I'll just explain, my recipe library is housed in a program because that allows me to then create amazing meal plans with all the recipes. So the cool thing is you can actually get an app that you can pop on your phone. So you can access the recipe library via, obviously, like an internet browser computer. However, you can do it on your phone with the app. It's really easy. I love that because then if I'm cooking, I can have the recipe right there on my phone. Or if I'm at the shops, I can bring a recipe up and it will give me the ingredients that maybe I've forgotten. So it is really helpful, really easy to use. If you need any questions, of course you can reach out and message me at any time. I hope you enjoy the recipe library if you choose to sign up, and it helps keep you on track for the best version of yourself, a healthy, happy version of you.